Hello and welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia and myself, Assistant Professor Harshida Darekar. Students, today we are going to learn a topic from FRBMMC Semester 1 and the subject for today is History of Media. And the topic we are going to learn is very interesting, documentaries and films. Let us see what we are going to learn in this session. Definition of documentaries, genesis of documentaries, its types, basics of filming documentaries and planning for it. Students, we all Indians are known as big fans of cinema. We call it Bollywood. But movies we watch are feature films. They contain masala in that. And we see emotional drama, romance, action, comedy, and songs in it. While talking about documentaries are different from feature films. How they are different from them? Let us see. Definition. The term documentary stems from the verb to document, means to convey information on the basis of proof and evidence to support it. So, documentaries are very different. They need some proof or evidence of it. They are filming of the actual life. In the realm of films and cinema, a documentary is a film that is an attempt in one fashion or another to show reality as really it is. So in documentary, we see the real life, we see the reality. We don't see the real life. And there is a big difference between this. जब हम रियल लाइफ देखते हैं तो उसमें डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होता है डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में. And of course, another way of defining documentary is the necessity to capture life as it is, as it naturally appears. जो भी natural चीजें हैं वही हम वहाँ पे दिखाते हैं. So we are not supposed to reconstruct the things. We are not going to show any imaginary or fictional things in documentaries. It needs to be filmed surreptitiously while the goal is to capture life's unawareness and natural beauty. When we shoot the documentary, we are supposed to shoot it unawareness and unknowingly. Because when we see people doing some actions and if they are aware of it, then they will do the actions purposely. उनको अगर पता चलेगा कि हम शूट कर रहे हैं तो उनके एक्शंस बदल जाएंगे. So in documentary, we are not supposed to give any situation or scripting is not there and we don't provide dialogues to people, we don't provide makeups to the people. So we are going to shoot the actual things, the reality of life. And that is what meant in documentary movies. Documentaries describe non-fictional movies that in some way document or capture reality. Earlier it was referred as actualities. जैसे हमने पहले देखा कि उसमें सिर्फ रियल लाइफ दिखाई जाती है, बस फैक्ट्स दिखाए जाते हैं, तो एक्चुअलिटीज उसका पहला नाम था. बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू शूट नॉन फिक्शनल थिंग्स एंड द थिंग विच वी आर गोइंग टू शो नीड्स टू बी प्रूव. Documentaries bring viewers into new worlds and experiences through the presentation of factual information about real people, places and events. When someone is shooting documentary film, they are shooting the real people. They are interviewing real people. And as we said earlier, they are not provided dialogues. They convey their own emotions and that is the only thing which connect with the people. When we record the actual event, actual situation or real people, people get connected with them and if we don't belong to that situation, we get the new experience of it. अगर हम स्लम एरिया को बिलोंग नहीं करते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता है, लेकिन डॉक्यूमेंट्री अगर स्लम एरिया के बारे में है तो उस डॉक्यूमेंट्री को देख के उसमें जो लोग इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस को देख के हम उसको ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से समझ सकते हैं. सो वी गेट कनेक्टेड विद पीपल. Documentaries bring viewers into new worlds and experiences through the presentation of factual information about real people, places and events. That is the main issue. The very first film, which was shot before 1900, were called actuality films because they captured short snippets of real actual events. और कैसे events थे? Such as a boat pulling up to the dock or workers leaving a factory. Now see what will be the time span for it? It will be not more than 2 or 3 minutes. So earlier the documentary movies were of only 2 or 3 minutes. Now we see documentaries of more than 5 minutes and up to 2 hours. So the time span have increased. The very first movies ever made were documentaries also called newsreels. जैसे हम न्यूज रील्स देखते हैं वैसे ही इवेंट्स उसमें कवर होते थे तो उसको जो नाम भी दिया गया था वो न्यूज रील्स ही दिया गया था एंड ऑफ कोर्स दोज वर द सिंगल शॉट मोमेंट्स कैप्चरिंग रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन वो सिंगल शॉट होता था देयर वाज नो रीटेक सो इन डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज नो रीटेक्स वर एक्सपेक्टेड Documentaries are very important because they are very informative and often used within schools as a resource to teach various principles. Of course, when we are supposed to teach students some values or few things which we cannot practically demonstrate, we can teach them with the help of documentaries. For example, here we can see few documentaries which are about nature, few are about educational documentaries, and uh, kids know things better when they watch it in movie. So अगर हम कोई मरीन लाइफ के बारे में बच्चों को सिखाना चाहते हैं वी आर गोइंग टू टीच समथिंग अबाउट मरीन लाइफ तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल practically to take students to the marine life and to demonstrate it. So what we will do? We will show them a documentary which is related to the marine life and kids will enjoy it, it will be entertaining for them and of course they will get some knowledge also. And there are so many issues which we can teach them with the help of documentaries like social issues are there, environmental issues are there. So kids will be enjoying these things with documentary. Documentary filmmakers have a responsibility to be truthful to their vision without intentionally mispresenting a topic. We should not be biased. हमारा दृष्टिकोण कैसे भी हो हमें उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करना है हमें उसको जैसे वो फैक्ट है वैसे ही प्रोजेक्ट करना है So there are some types of documentaries. Let us see which are them. Poetic documentary. This focuses on experiences and images to create a feeling rather than the truth. We get connected, we get emotionally connected sometimes with this kind of documentary that is called poetic documentary. Then expository, it aims to inform often through voice of God narration. Voice of God narration, what is it? It is a term used in theatrical production. So it is like voiceover. So that is expository documentary and observational. Simply observes the world. It is nothing but it observes the world. Then next is participatory. It includes the filmmaker and influences the major actions of the narrative. In this documentary, we can see the filmmaker and he influences the actions also. And the another type is reflexive. This is similar to the participatory, but there is a slight difference in this. What is the difference? It includes the filmmaker but focuses solely on the act of filmmaking. So the filmmaker doesn't influences the action of it. Then performative uses subject experience to share an emotional response with the world. So here interviews are expected when we interview people and they share their feelings and they convey their emotions, we get connected with that person. So these are the six types of documentaries, we have learned them. Then if we are about to shoot a documentary, there are few things which we should keep in mind. What are those? Very, basic thing is your interest. Documentaries need proof and evidences, and to generate the proof or evidence, we need to research. And if you are not interested in any particular topic or issue, you won't be interested in doing any kind of research. So your interest is the very important thing when you are filming the documentary. Then of course availability of documentary and records, we need proof or evidence for it. So before shooting the documentary, we should be aware that we have the documentation or the records with us. Then of course not last but not the least, interest of viewers, because not only interest is your interest is important, your viewers interest is also important, because if they are not interested in a particular issue, they are not going to watch your documentary. So it is very important, and of course you have to make your documentary visually beautiful, so people will come and watch your documentary. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. And of course while planning to shoot documentary, we are going to remember few more things, basic things. Very first is camera setup. We have to be sure with your camera setup, because while shooting the camera should be very updated, and it should capture the clear picture of whatever event you are shooting. So there are so many updated cameras in market, so you can choose any one of it, of course. Then sound setup. Sometimes sound is very important. When you are capturing the real incidents or real event, then the minute sounds are also very important. So be sure that your camera and sound setup is up to date. And here we can see the setup, the equipments of sound setup, and the another picture in which we can see what distance we can take between the mic and the interviewer or the person who is talking. So this is again a practical thing to be noticed. Of course we are shooting reality of life, but it doesn't mean that we should shoot it as it is actually. अगर हम उसको जैसे है वैसे ही अगर शूट करने जाएंगे, तो कभी कभी लाइट इफेक्ट की वजह से वो बहुत डल शूट होगा और फिर लोग उसको देखेंगे नहीं. We have to make it visually beautiful. So we are not providing any kind of makeup and accessories or dialogues, but we should be ready with the lighting setup. In this picture you can see how we can light set up the lighting. And of course the another picture, in the another picture there is a lady. शी इज द सेम, हर एक्सप्रेशन आर सेम, लेकिन जब आप बीच वाली पिक्चर देखोगे तो वो पिक्चर हमें उठ के दिख रही है, क्योंकि वहां पे लाइटिंग का जो सेटअप है वो परफेक्ट हुआ है. अगर आप लाइट्स को अच्छे से सेट नहीं करोगे तो वो जो डलनेस है उसकी वजह से डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो है वो थोड़ी सी बोरिंग लग सकती है. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. So in today's session, we have seen the definition of documentaries, genesis of documentaries, its types. We have seen 6 types of it. Then basics of filming documentaries. We have seen few things, very basic things like light setup or camera or sound setup, and of course your interest and how to document things, and then how to plan for it. So I think hopefully you all are now aware of documentary movies and you have understood the thing, and we will learn something new in new session. Till then, take care and thank you.